maps. Winds are up to 100 miles an hour. Tara, hang on. It's really windy out here. Stay safe, Orlando. Ta-da! Ta-da! Back to you, Carrie and Michelle.
Okay.
You're live.
Here we are, live in Orlando, wondering why we're here. We did come for a conference. It was cut short, but we're still here because we can't get out. So here we are, having fun with our friends. What do you think about that, Michelle?
I think it's a fabulous thing, Terry. I'm so happy to be here. We're enjoying each other. We're having lots of fun, and we're learning how not to eat our hair in a hurricane.
How the hair looks all right?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Everyone join us in a huge ta-da because we are proud of ourselves being here together. Ta-da!